What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2013 Cadillac XTS, and today I'm going to be replacing the hub bearing. All right, first thing, jack the car up, set the jack stand, get the wheels off. All right, next step we're gonna do is just turn the steering wheel out so I can get to remove the caliper. We got two 21mm, one at the top and one at the bottom. Both bolts are out, and we should just be able to slide this caliper off and then sit it over here. All right, now next step, I'm going to remove this 32mm. All right, now that the axle nut is out, next step is just getting the Torx. All right, sits that to the side. So now that the disc is out, next part of this thing is just to, so this is, as you can see, there's one, two, and then there's a third one right back here. So that's how you remove the bearings hub. So this is what I'm taking out, and of course the screws are back here. So I'll start with this one. All right, one out, two to go. So I'm going to get the other one at the top, and then after that I'm going to turn the steering wheel to the right, and then I'll be able to get the other one at the other side. All right, so let's just give this a little bit of nap, and just try to move the axle back just some, so you have some more room here to get to these screws a lot easier. All right, so right there we go. So it sits properly now. A slight knock, get the axle back a little bit, and that will get us out of the way. All right, second one is out. All right, so now I'm going to turn the steering wheel the opposite side so I can have an easier access to the one behind the steering has turned. You can take a look. Here it is. Make it a lot easier. So that's the one that we're going to try to remove now. And of course, the nut is right behind there. Okay, great. Next one is out. That just leaves me slight taps with a hammer so I can remove this piece. It's almost off, and so that's the old one, and of course that's the new one. All right, we can just quickly match them up, get an idea. See, they look exactly the same, including these oblong holes that's right there, 1, 2, and if you flip them over, looks the same. All right, okay, so let's go ahead and start the installation process right now. All right, now that's back in place. I got the 32 nut on the outside, haven't tightened it yet. So first thing I'm going to do is just install this bolt here that goes behind here. First step. Then, all right, so All right, so I got let's tighten. Oh. All right, next, turn the steering wheel back to the other side. All 3 bolts back in. Just going to all right, so just the 2 caliper bolts. All right, so that's it. I'm done.